Hey Cashmere Hair fam! Today we've put together a little DIY tutorial for you all about how to make your own donut bun. We put this together because a lot of you have been asking, what the heck do I do with my old extensions? Whether they've run the course of their life or you're replacing your classic set with our new seamless collection. They're still like pretty good quality and you don't want to just throw them out. So what we've done is kind of put together a few pointers on how to make this cute little donut bun. And you can use it to make a really voluminous messy bun, a ballerina bun, a nice updo. Possibilities are endless. So with that in mind, let's get started on how to make this guy. So the first thing you'll need, obviously, is your extensions. So we will be using the 3-inch weft from the full extension kit, and those are the ones with the 2 clips on them. And then grab 3 of them. You'll have 1 left over. They're usually 4 in a pack. That's our first thing. The next item you'll need is a sock. All of those spare socks that you have rattling around your drawer that maybe the dryer ate the other one of or something. This is a great use for them. Again, this is all about upcycling. So you'll need 1 sock. The next item you'll need is a pair of scissors. And then the last is bobby pins. Okay, so your first step will be to take the sock and find the heel. You're going to cut the toe off of it with your scissors. Now I have already done this because I'm prepared, but go ahead and cut that toe off. And then our next step will be starting at the end we cut. You're going to just kind of slowly roll it down in a ring. So the sock will be kind of resembling a tube, and then you're going to roll it down as tightly as possible because that makes it easier for you to cover it with the hair. It'll make a thinner donut at the end. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull that down. And then just kind of shape it a little. You can see it's super easy, fast. One thing I do want to point out is that the end of the sock here is at the top of your donut. That'll be very important because that's what we'll be clipping our clips for the extensions into. So we'll put that aside. Our next step is to grab your hair extensions. Make sure they're clean, brush them, actually it's a little brushing. Brush them out if you need to, just to get all the knots out of there, and make sure they're clean. If you're using an old set, you just want to make sure everything's in tip-top shape before you make something with it. So the next step, we will open up the clips, make sure they're open, grab your donut, and you're going to clip onto that top edge like I showed you. So go ahead and clip this guy in, and you actually do want to stretch it out a little bit with your hands. That way the 3 wefts will fit comfortably all the way around your donut. Let's go ahead and clip that in, as easy as clipping into your own hair. And then our next step will be pulling the hair through the donut and wrapping it around, hiding the weft. Let's go ahead and wrap that around. Look through. These are, I have the 18-inch extensions, so it goes around about 2.5 times for me. You might experiment. If you have the longer extensions, it will cover a little bit more ground there, but 18 inches works totally fine. So there you see we have like that little end piece. I'm gonna wrap it around a little bit more, and then I will take my bobby pin. Oh, I can actually go through one more time. Okay, so I'll take my little baby bobby pin here and secure that onto the donut. Super easy and fast. I will probably do this whole thing in under 5 minutes. Next, we're just going to continue on with our other 2 wefts, clipping, wrapping, and securing with the bobby pin. So we'll go ahead and do that now. Okay, and there you have it. Super easy. Here's your donut bun ready to go into your hair. So next, I guess we'll show you guys how I like to style it. Okay, so there's our first step. Do a nice high pony. I'm doing it extra high just so you guys can see what I'm doing. Kinda loosen it up a little bit so I don't get a headache. My high pony. Make sure that's really stuck in there because the next step, I'm sure some of you guys have done this with the regular foam donuts, is adding our Cashmere Hair Extension DIY donut to the bun. So you'll just kind of stretch it out. This is why I had you stretch it out as you were applying the extensions, because it will need to move a little as you put it onto your hair. So you're just going to pull your ponytail through the donut bun. So easy. And then get the hair out, and then the next step is totally up to you. Again, I said I wanted to do something messy. I'm still hanging out at home, working from home, so I don't want anything too put together or complicated. Let's see what I can do here. Just kind of around. But oh my gosh, this is gonna be so enormous. These donuts really, I mean, just like regular hair extensions, they add so much dimension and volume to your natural hair. So you get a nice chunky bun on top of your head. And I don't mind if my hair tie shows a little bit, but let's play around with these pieces. Okay, so there you have it. We are all set with our DIY donut bun, transitioning into the perfect, chunky, enormous, messy bun. I hope you guys like this video. Check out our blog and our YouTube channel for more, and I can't wait to see you over there.